Father, Father, give me, Father.
Father, forgive me for the silly life I'm living. I'm just a troubled Christian struggling with the right decision. Instead of running from the righteousness that lies within me. No matter how I try, I can't hide the light that's in me. But this fast life I'm living is a rush for me. I wonder, God, why you still putting up with me? It's kinda puzzling how you stay in love with me. I'm so stubborn even though you done so much for me. What am I thinking? Loves party, smoking, drinking. With that alone, there's no way I'm the one you're seeking. Dark secrets that'll probably make my mama speechless and make my pop's mouth drop as the story deepens. I'm lost in heaven drinking, party to the AM. Pass out, wake up and do it all again. So young and dumb, walking around with my view distorted. And not to mention bad choices with the 2 abortions. Inconsiderate and only thinking of myself. And never stop once to even ask her how she felt. That's just the surface, so God, I am not perfect. And all the chances that you giving, I do not deserve it. I totally understand if you feel I'm not worth it. Without my senses, only right that I die burning. I'm just a born sinner in another sad story. You heard it all before, so I won't dare bore you. You sent your only son for me, and I still ignored it. Knew I was on the wrong path, and I still floored it. I had to take a minute just to ask for your forgiveness, but we ain't talked in a while, so I hope you're listening. I apologize every time I tried to hide and falling outside of everything you prophesied. Sorry for the pain I caused through a lot of lies and running when I knew that I was chosen out the crowd. Forgive me acting foolishly when I am not a child. Since I'm a man in old ways I gotta put aside. Forgive me for the tears I brought to my folks' eyes and never compromise even when my folks tried. Forgive me for the times that I paid no time. Supposed to be in the church but yet and still I rolled by. But God, I'm sick of running from you, I am so tired. I'm all yours now, broken down, no pride. Head to the sky, this is where my soul lies. I took my eyes off you, but I know now. I walked away from your grace, but now I'm back. But before you say a thing, I just gotta ask, Father, forgive me.